Hello, I'm Jimmy the Expat. Welcome back. This is beach that you're getting ready to see is in Da Dong Hai in Sanya. It's the southernmost tip of the island. It's called the Hidden Hawaii. It's beautiful. This is when we went out on the yachts. They had a yacht party and you paid. It wasn't expensive. You had to go out and they provided drinks and food. And we bound all the boats together. It was fun. Here is in Sanya Bay, the guy is surfing. Nice little surfing video. And here we're back at Da Dong Hai, which was about 10 minutes from my apartment, with mountains on the both sides, the beautiful water, white sandy bottoms, coral, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is actually the yacht party. It was a lot of fun, and they were filming, and had drones filming, and jet skis filming, and it became a commercial locally, and throughout China and Russia. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like to subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you.